Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at both Paychex and QuickBooks and comparing them both and seeing which is a better payroll service for your business. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about both of these services and you're going to know which one's a better fit for your business. So let's start with pricing. Paychex offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. The most basic plan, Paychex Flex Essential, starts at $39 per month plus $5 per employee. More comprehensive plans such as Paychex Flex Secret and Paychex Comprehensive offer additional features and services for a higher monthly fee. QuickBooks Payroll also offers a variety of pricing plans starting at $29.95 per month plus $5 per employee. The more expensive plans offer additional features and services such as time tracking, benefits administration and HR tools. Overall, QuickBooks Payroll is slightly more affordable than Paychex, especially for small businesses with a few employees. However, Paychex offers more comprehensive plans for larger businesses with more complex payroll needs. Now, what about their features? Paychex offers a wide range of payroll features, including payroll processing, direct deposits, tax filing and payments, payroll reports, new hire onboarding, time tracking, and also employee self-service. QuickBooks also offers a wide range of payroll features, including payroll processing, direct deposit, tax filing and payments, payroll reports, new hire onboarding, time tracking, employee self-service, benefits administration, and HR tools. Overall, QuickBooks and Paychex offers similar features. However, QuickBooks Payroll offers some additional features such as benefits administration and HR tools. So what about integrations? Paychex actually offers over 300 integrations with other business software such as accounting software, time tracking software and HR software, whereas QuickBooks offer over 500 integrations with business software including accounting software, time tracking software, HR software and also e-commerce platforms. Overall, QuickBooks Payroll offers more integrations than Paychex, and this can be helpful for businesses that want to streamline their payroll process and reduce manual data entry. So what about the ease of use? Paychex is generally considered to be more user-friendly than QuickBooks. Paychex has a simple and intuitive interface, and its online help resources are excellent. QuickBooks has a more complex interface than Paychex, but it still offers a variety of tools and resources to help users get started. QuickBooks also offers customer support 24/7, which can be helpful for businesses that need assistance with their payroll. Overall, Paychex is generally considered to be more user-friendly than QuickBooks Payroll. However, QuickBooks offers customer service 24/7, which can be helpful. What about scalability? Paychex is a scalable payroll service that can accommodate businesses of all sizes. Paychex offers a variety of pricing plans and features to meet the needs of growing businesses. QuickBooks is also a scalable payroll service that can accommodate businesses of all sizes. QuickBooks offers a variety of pricing plans and features to meet the needs of growing businesses. Overall, both Paychex and QuickBooks Payroll are scalable payroll services. However, QuickBooks Payroll offers more integrations, which can be helpful for larger businesses with complex payroll needs. So in conclusion, Paychex and QuickBooks Payroll are both excellent payroll services, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. Paychex is generally more affordable and user-friendly, while QuickBooks offers a wider range of features and integrations. The best payroll service for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you're a small business looking for an affordable and easy to use payroll service, then Paychex is a good option. However, if you're a larger business looking for a payroll service with a wide range of features and integrations, then QuickBooks Payroll is a good option. You can also consult with a payroll expert to get their help in choosing the right payroll service for your business. So that's my comparison video on Paychex and QuickBooks. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. Also, let me know what you think of Paychex and QuickBooks. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you think's better? So if you did find this video helpful, please also like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.